Depending on the size of your display and your browser defaults, you may wish to adjust your viewing options. Shown here is the sample presentation from the interactive tutorial. In most cases, you will want as much space available to you as possible while you are editing. We recommend clicking the full screen option, especially on small displays. With the Project tab selected, move your mouse pointer to the bottom right corner of the display and click the full screen icon. The first time you click full screen, your browser may ask you for permission to allow this action. To exit full screen, click the full screen button again or press the escape key on your keyboard. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, most browsers also use the F11 key to enable and exit full screen. Next to the full screen icon, you can also adjust the font size of your entire outline. Adjust the zoom slider as desired. Double-click the slider to restore the zoom to 100%. When editing a long document, you may want more control over portions of the document that you want visible. In the structure bar on the left of the content area, you will find a plus or minus icon next to each row that expands or collapses the outline tree. Clicking the minus icon will collapse all subordinate levels of the outline. Clicking plus will expand all hidden levels beneath that row. If a section of the document is hidden, you will see a narrow space in the structure bar for each block that is not shown. Anytime you adjust the view of a content block, all rows that are affected will automatically be highlighted in blue. Sometimes you may want to adjust the tree view of the entire document at once. You will find tree controls visible at all times in the upper left corner of the display. The buttons numbered 1 through 5 allow you to collapse the entire document outline to the numbered level. For example, clicking 1 will show only the first level of your outline. Clicking 2 will show the first 2 levels, and so forth. Select A to expand all levels. Depending on which level of the outline you are viewing, it may also be helpful to hide the text blocks so that you are only seeing the outline content. This is helpful when you want to see the overall structure of your document but not the script. As an alternative, the Collapse button collapses all visible content to a single row for each outline level. While collapsed, if you place your cursor within any collapsed text block, the entire area of that block will be expanded while you edit. On mobile devices, space is greatly restricted. By default on a mobile display, the sidebar will not be permanent, but will appear as a slide-in menu. Touch the menu icon to show or hide the sidebar. For best results, we recommend holding your device in a landscape orientation. If your device is narrow, you may find that you must drag the toolbars left and right in order to see all of the available buttons. On a small display, it is often easier to use the toolbar buttons than to attempt a drag-and-drop operation. As a practical matter on small displays, you may prefer voice typing. With voice typing, you will not see an on-screen keyboard to disrupt your editing.